welcome. Today's video, well, let me tell you, I am Snow. I will probably look like crap. It's okay. We all feel like that. I've had 2 days off, and from there it went from okay to unsure about everything. So we'll see how this all shapes up. I did get my Lunarly box, so we're going to open that. I'm unsure if the mail ran yet, so I might be recording another video because I don't think it did yet. I think this came FedEx, but I'm not sure. So let's dive right into this right now. So Lunarly is a box that you get every month, and I think it said that it was going to go up to 50, but at the moment I know I pay 40. But you get it every month, and in it comes a plant and then like 3 to 4 other items. Or every other month you get a candle, and they're big candles, they're not small candles. This month is going to be a plant. Last month is candles. So the candles are like this one. They're like really big size. They always smell really good. I've burnt this a couple of times, but as you can see, I haven't burned it all the way through. It does say it's a 60-hour burn candle, but I've yet to burn through a candle. So let's see what we got this time. Usually my plants are packed in really good. We'll open the plant last, and then we'll open books first. But first I'm going to pull out the plant and set it aside, and then I'll pull out the goodies box. So the goodies box is usually sitting at the bottom, and it's like this, and it's kind of heavy this time, so I can't wait to see what's in it. So this is the pink moon, which I feel. So it's got a nice little card, and it tells you some stuff, and then it's got all of the other stuff on here. This says I got a Fusion Natural Elixir Facial Collagen Boost Mask. That's kind of nice. So yeah, it's just one mask to stimulate collagen in your face, so that'll be nice. The next item I got is a relaxing body mist yoga. Oh, that's neat. So like recharge and reawaken with this 100% natural vital body mist. Oh, that smells fresh. It's lemongrass, bergamot, and jasmine, which are all my favorite smells. That's kind of nice. Also in this box, I did get an entire thing, this is why it's so heavy, of lavender and bergamot bath salts. So, guess I'll be taking a bath later today. It has scents of eucalyptus and mint to help rejuvenate and the spirit and mind. So that's kind of nice. I like having bath salts. And the last item in this thing is, it says it's a polychrome jasper. You do get a stone, so I do like getting the stones. So I like that. It's not as pretty as the one in here, but that's because that one shined and mine is not. The quick shine of this would make it beautiful. That's okay. And then, of course, the very bottom of this holds my little disc, and that is for my plant. So let me pack some of this up and move it. It says that my plant is a snake plant. I do love getting these plants. These are really nice additions. plant is always well packaged in here, so unboxing this is really hard. This is what it looks like at the moment. And as you see, it's got the plant coming out the top, but this is still taped up. I still have to cut all of this. So it just takes a hot minute to open these plants. I don't mind doing them on camera, but I can understand why most people do not unbox this one on camera, because it is so difficult. They probably pre-unbox it. I do not pre-unbox any of my boxes when I do these. This is just, I got it in the mail and I brought it inside. Okay. Now let me get the spider moss off this. This little moss is to keep it warm when it travels. It's not intended to stay on here. It's more of a packing thing, but getting it off, it's just, it makes the plant look really good. But more importantly, it does. But that is my plant for this month. Isn't she pretty? Okay, it says it is a snake plant. Water when the soil becomes dry. Keep it in nice light. 60 to 85 degrees. Avoid temperatures below 50 degrees. Sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. For best results, feed your plant every month during the spring and summer with diluted liquid fertilizer. I'll have to get that because I do have a couple of plants now. They are toxic to dogs and cats, so I will make sure I keep it up away from my puppy and children, but I don't have any children, so I'm not good with that. But yeah, these are really thick leaves. It's going to be really pretty. And that is my Lunarly box. Like I said, it ships every month. Every other month you get a plant. Every other month you get a candle. And then you get like 3 to 4 items that are for you to help celebrate the month. I do enjoy it. I do buy this for myself. I do leave all my links in the description if you ever want to try out one of my boxes. They're down there. All you have to do is click them. Some of them give me a little bit of a bonus or a price reduction for my box, but most of them do not. So it's not like you're going to give me anything special or help me out. So, I mean, you can use my links. You don't have to use my links, but it would help on some of them if you did. Either way, it's okay. So all that will be in the description. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I try to upload 5 to 7 videos a week. Some of them are gaming and some of them are unboxing. But I play The Sims. I play Portal Knights, Terraria, Stardew Valley, and I am looking at trying to set it up so I can play Animal Crossing as well. I also play Harvest Moon. But if any of that sounds fun, you know, you can like those videos, you can comment on those and watch those instead. If you're like the unboxing ones instead, you can stick to the unboxings. It's all good. But, make sure you guys are staying safe and staying happy, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.